Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 07, Creating Compelling Ads. In this lesson, we will discuss strategies for creating compelling ads that attract attention, engage users, and drive conversions in pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. 1. Understand your audience. Identify your target audience. Understand who your target audience is, their demographics, interests, and pain points. Tailor your messaging. Create ad copy that resonates with your audience's needs, desires, and motivations. 2. Highlight unique selling points, USPs. Identify what sets your product or service apart from competitors. Highlight these USPs in your ad copy to attract attention and persuade users to click on your ad. 3. Use persuasive language. Use strong, action-oriented language to encourage users to take the desired action. Create a sense of urgency or scarcity to prompt immediate action, e.g., limited time offers, countdown timers. 4. Include relevant keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords into your ad copy to improve ad relevance and quality score. Use dynamic keyword insertion, DKI, to automatically insert the user search query into your ad copy for a more personalized experience. 5. Focus on benefits, not features. Highlight the benefits of your product or service and how it solves the user's problem or fulfills their need. Avoid focusing solely on features, as users are more interested in how. 6. Use ad extensions. Utilize ad extensions, such as site links, callouts, and structured snippets, to provide additional information and improve ad visibility. Ad extensions can help users find what they're looking for more easily and increase the likelihood of them clicking on your ad. 7. Test different ad variations. A/B test different ad copy variations to see which ones perform best. Test different headlines, calls to action, and messaging to optimize your ads for maximum performance. 8. Monitor and optimize. Regularly monitor the performance of your ads and make adjustments based on data. Optimize your ads for better performance by refining your targeting, messaging, and ad copy based on user behavior and feedback. By following these strategies, you can create compelling ads that resonate with your target audience, drive engagement, and ultimately lead to higher click-through rates and conversions in your PPC campaigns.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.